Welcome to Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia, and as always, thank you to all those who have subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell next to it. So today we are going to be making two different types of rice puddings. The first one is an Indian rice pudding called Kheer, and the second is a Turkish rice pudding called Sutlac. Both use similar ingredients and both equally delicious. Let's see which tickles your taste buds. We will start off with the Kheer and then do the Sutlac. And just a reminder that this requires patience, so please spare some time before starting with this.
For the kheer, you will need half a cup of jasmine or basmati rice soaked in half a cup of boiling water for 1 hour, 1 liter of milk, 1 385 grams condensed milk, 1 295 gram dessert cream, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon almond powder, 1 tablespoon coconut powder, 1 tablespoon rose water. We will start by adding in 1 liter of milk to a pot and wait for this to steam and bubble.
Kheer is a rice pudding that originated in India and is still made in many households throughout the world. This is my favorite sweet starter on a Friday after Jummah. It has a rich, creamy condensed milk taste and is enhanced by a fragrance of cardamom and saffron. There are many variations to the kheer. These days you get raspberry kheer, apple kheer, carrot kheer, and even paneer kheer. The recipe I am sharing with you is a basic recipe, and you can add your flavorings onto this. Once the milk starts simmering, add in the rice that you had soaked in earlier. And leave this to cook until the rice softens. So when the rice has been cooked and looks like this, add in all the other ingredients except your pista and rose petals. Okay, so in goes the almond powder, then the rose water, the cardamom powder, the coconut powder, the saffron essence or extract, the cream, so we're just going to pour it in, and the sweetened milk. Give this a good stir and leave this to simmer for about another 30 minutes.
And here you have it, rich and creamy kheer. If you feel that the consistency is a bit too thick, you can add in a little more milk. For the sutlac, you will need half a cup of rice, any thin long grain rice, basmati or jasmine rice, 1.5 cups of water, 1 liter of milk, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence or extract.
Now let's start with the Sutlac. And for that, we've added in half a cup of jasmine rice, basmati rice, or any thin long-grained rice. And we've added to this 1.5 cups of water. Allow this to boil until the rice has properly cooked and is soft. So if you feel that the rice isn't as soft as you would like it, then add in a little bit more water and make sure that the rice is cooked properly. Once the rice is soft and sticky like this, add in your milk, 1 liter of milk. Stir it. So after you've added in your milk, give it a quick stir and then wait for the milk to slightly bubble. Once the milk starts warming up and bubbling a bit, add in your sugar. That's 3/4 cup. Add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and add in 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. So the cornstarch we are using actually thickens this dessert. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens. So this usually takes about 15 minutes to thicken. Can you see the consistency of it? I think we need to give it another 10 minutes and then transfer them into bowls for baking. This is the consistency that your Sutlac needs to be before pouring them into the bowls. Take an oven tray and pour in about halfway through a bit of water. Once the Sutlac is ready, pour them into dessert bowls like these. Now place these into the oven tray and bake these for about 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Keep checking on them, making sure that these do not burn. We just need the top to be caramelized. That's it. Okay, so now that our kheer is ready, we're going to pour this into our serving bowls. Like so. And then decorate these with some pista and some rose petals. And there you have it. Your kheer is ready to be served. Kheer, remember, is best served warm. So, CV's Vloggers, here I have the Indian Kheer rice pudding and here I have the Turkish Sutlac rice pudding. Let's give it a taste and see how it tastes. Absolutely divine. You have to try this recipe. Now let's try the Sutlac. This is also quite delicious. Do try these recipes and let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite. Thanks for watching.